Okay, I don't have a job number for this yet, but it's called Rainier Vista. It's with Emerald Management, and this is one of the addresses, 4321 Jill Place South. Or you could use any one of these addresses out here in Seattle. It's concrete replacement. Precision Concrete Cutting was out here, and they were looking at grinding this stuff down, but realized they can't grind it down because there's not enough material. So I'm going to start off with this first one right here that you can see. They're all marked in blue from Precision Concrete Cutting. They did the marks originally. Seattle squares, and this one right here is 4144 29th Avenue South. It says the address up on the building there, but that is an 8x4, 8 foot by 4 foot that needs to be replaced there, and it's because of tree root damage. So there's going to be some tree root issue right underneath this tree. All right, so that's one of them, and I'm going to take you to some of these others. I've looked at 4 of the 6, but let's catch them as we go. Okay, then we're at 2821 Adams Street, right in front of this house number, and we've got tree root damage causing this to lift. And at 2821 we've got a combination here. We've got, let's see here, looks like we're gonna have to go, well, I think this panel can stay, but this one right here looks like it needs to be, well, it looks like both of these need to be replaced because it's sitting kind of low here and high right there, and then it's low here, high right there. It's hard to say where. It's probably lifting there, and it's probably lifting there, but what I don't understand is in that section right there. So, you know what? What's going to be this one right here? So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's an 8x4. It's 8x4 here. I think this can stay. Fix this panel right here, and it's marked in blue. 8x4. Okay. And to give you another look at it, here you go. It all looks fine right here, and then down there it looks a little raised, and then that side looks raised. I think though we could probably put in the panel and then tie it in down there to the next one, and still be okay with what's happening right here. It's a little high right there. Yeah, I think that's gonna be okay. You know what? I'm just making an executive decision here, and I think in order to be level here with this sidewalk, we might have to take it back another panel, another panel. So I'm going to change this at 2821. Instead of this being 8x4, it's going to be a 16x4. And we'll go all the way past to the next joint, which is right here. Okay, so that's a 16x4 at 2821. And then at 2817, we got same kind of situation here where we have to take out this panel plus that panel. And that's a 16x4. So that way we could stay flush here with these two sidewalks, because it lifts right up in the middle right there. And then down here, it kind of goes at an angle. So let's do that panel and that panel. And this is an upward hill right here. I'm looking uphill, not slope. Okay, so 16x4 on that. And then where it says 2821, I need to change that to 16x4 as well. Let's go to the next one. Okay, this next one's at 2850 South Nevada Street. And it is a 10x4 panel. I'll show you what it looks like. It's right in front of this box here. I don't know if that's a meter or what, but it's marked in blue. Goes all the way down. to this section right here. They threw some asphalt in here at one point, so we'll have to chip out the asphalt that's sitting on top of this sidewalk, and then which I would imagine it'll chip off since it's on top of concrete, and then we'll replace this panel here. Okay, so that's a 10 by 4. Wait, yes, 10 by 4. Okay, and that sits right out here by the park. We'll probably need a street use permit out here because it is Seattle and parking's not great out here. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, this one's at 2824. Actually, which one is this one? 2826. South Columbian. 2, 4, 1, 2, 3. So we've got 6, 7. This is a 7 foot by 4 foot right here, and we got to take out, chip off this asphalt that's here, and chip out the asphalt on the other end. Okay, so that's 2, 4, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 by 4 at 2826 South Columbian Street.